Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In many other websites and many other channels, I have seen that there is a very complicated programming about the checking of leap year. But it is a very easy program on C or C++. The question is that how to check whether a year is leap year or not. So I will give you an example about how to check this. So let's start. So for the programming, we will have to add first has include stdio.h. It is the library function. In this library function, what functions or keywords we will use in this program, that all are available. Then int main, or you will have you will try to use that void main, that's same. Then I'm starting this program. Int y. We are taking an integer y. Then we will give a message to the user that printf enter the year. Then we will scan what year or what number gave the user. For this we will have to use scanf. Then we will scan this %d and %y. This will allocate a space in the memory location for y. Then we will use the if statement, if else statement we will use. Then first if y is divided by 4 and the remainder is 0. If this statement is true, then printf this is a leap year. In many other websites and many other videos, they are checking this it is divisible by 4 or not, then it is divisible by 100 or not, and then it is divisible by 400 or not. It is very complicated and very complicated for actually the beginners. So this is the simple type of the program, and then we will compile that and run. Enter the year. We will add 1012 first, and this is a leap year. Then we will add 2018 not a leap year. So the program is right, and this is the simplest way to check a leap year. Thank you everyone for supporting and for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for get many other videos about programming or anything about tech. Thank you.